In this video, I'm going to be showing you a Vend POS tutorial and walkthrough. So Vend, which is by Lightspeed POS, is one of the leading point of sale systems designed for retail businesses. So in this guide, we will explore what Vend by Lightspeed is, its key features, and how to set it up and use it effectively for your business. So by the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to use Vend POS to streamline retail operations, manage inventory, and enhance the customer experience. So before we proceed, what is Vent by Lightspeed POS? So it is a cloud-based POS system tailored for retail stores. It allows you to process sales, manage inventory, and generate reports in real time from any device with internet access. It's especially popular among small to medium sized retail businesses because it offers tools that are easy to use, yet powerful enough to manage complex retail operations across multiple locations. So Vend POS merged with Lightspeed in 2021, providing users with enhanced features, security, and support, making it a more robust platform to handle various aspects of retail management. So now let's move on to our dashboard. So when you just created your account, this is what your dashboard will look like. So you will have tips right here to get started. So of course, if you want to set up your account, you'll need to follow all of these steps. So first, you want to set up your website and storefront, add your products or services, review regional settings, choose how to deliver your goods, and set up your payment options. So to do this, simply click on the step itself and set up your website and storefront and simply do all of the steps. But we're not going to do that right now as I'm going to walk you through all of the features of your website. So next, after dashboard, we have here my sales. So in the my sales, you will see all of your orders right here. You can also go to your abandoned carts and all of your customers right here. So now as you can see, your customers will appear right here. So to add a new customer, simply click here on add new customer. So simply fill up all of this information. You can also add the address right here. So if you want to bulk add customers, you can simply select right here, import customers. And you'll need to upload Excel or CSV files to do this. So as you can see, you need to import file. You want to import data via exporting the CSV file from your store. That's basically how you can do it. So now let's go to catalog. So in catalog, we have here the products, categories, gift cards, data import and export. So as you can see right here, these are all sample products. So you can select the product if you want. You can edit the product. As you can see, you can edit the photos for your product. You can add the name, SKU, the weight, the descriptions, and the pricing. So to add a new product, simply click right here on add new product. So as you can see, you can add the general description, the name, the photo or the image. You can also go to attributes, options, files, the shipping and pickup, SEO, related products, and the buy now button. You can also bulk edit all of your products or simply import and export your products. Next is we have the category section. So from here, you can add categories for your products to sort it or filter it. You also have the gift cards right here. So you can upgrade your subscription to sell gift cards. You also have the data import and export right here. Just like I said, you can import or export your data, such as your customers, your products. You can do it all right here. Next is marketing. So from here, as you can see, you can advertise across Google, you can promote and sell on Facebook, you can promote on TikTok, all of this. So just simply click on get started and connect your accounts. Also have Google Ads right here. You can enable this. Just follow the setup right here to do this. We also have Facebook ads. So these are the steps to launch your ad campaign. So simply connect your Facebook first, set up your Facebook pixel, and now you can launch your ad campaign. You also have discount coupons right here, but you'll need to upgrade your plan to do this. Also have advanced discounts. And again, I think you need to upgrade for this also. So, right. You also have the newsletters. So you can create your newsletters right here. As you can see, newsletters are email that you send to customers to promote your store and products. So there, stay in touch. We have the video right here on how to use this. We also have the automated emails right here. But this needs to upgrade your plan. Next is reports. Again, you need to upgrade to access reports. So basically, you can track and enhance your store performance with these reports. So basically, you'll see charts and tables to see how the performance of your store is going. Next is sales channels. So as you can see from here, you can sell on the go. You can connect your Lightspeed e-commerce mobile for iOS. You can also have Lightspeed e-commerce mobile for Android. And you can also sell to these social media platforms. Simply connect them. Next is website. So this is how your online store should look like. You can also design it right here in the site appearance. Simply click on edit. Site content. Again, simply click on edit. We also have the SEO right here. Should be your SEO settings. But the two features of SEO right here needs an upgraded plan. So as you can see, we have Instagram and Facebook right here, TikTok. Of course, you can link your account right there. And also manage your link up right here. So you can see the link in the bio. So simply click on manage link up. Next is mobile. So you need to upgrade to go mobile. So you'll have an Vend POS app on your mobile to manage your store on the go. You also have other channels right here, such as the Facebook Messenger. But again, But then again, almost all of the features of Vend POS needs an upgraded subscription. Next, we have here design. So you can change the look of your store right here. You can change the image and video aspect ratio, the product card details and layout. You can always change them right here. Next is payment. So simply add your payment methods right here. So when you add payment methods, this is where you will get payments. This is where you can send and receive payments. Next is shipping and pickup. So this is where you can ship you can also have self pickup right here, local delivery, and of course shipping. So just simply set it up right here and you're good to go. So that's basically all of the main features of Vend POS by Lightspeed. So to get started, again, just follow all of the steps to get yourself going, working on Lightspeed. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.